Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Vishwakarma and welcome to my Python series of Day 2 Basics in Python. The today agenda is syntax and semantics in Python, single line comment and multi-line comment, definition of syntax and semantics, basic syntax rule in Python, understanding semantics in Python, common syntax error and how to avoid them. Practical code examples also I am given to you. So don't worry about anything, your Sweetie is here to help with you. So first understand about what is syntax. So syntax refers to the set of rules that govern the structure and arrangement of element in a programming language. It's like the grammar of a language. Or syntax refers to set of rules that defines the combination of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs in a language. In simple terms, syntax is about the correct arrangement of words and symbols in a code. So, in Python, what includes syntax is syntax include indentation, keywords, operators, data types, function definitions. So what is indentation? Python relies heavily on indentation to define the code blocks. Incorrect indentation lead to errors. Keywords. Reserved words like if, else, for, while, def, class and etc. have specific meaning and cannot be used as a variable name. Operator symbols like plus, minus, multiplication and division etc. have predefined function. Data types defines variable with appropriate data type like integer, float, string, boolean, list etc. What is and function definition? Function definition correctly define function using the def keyword including parameter and return values. So this all is the syntax known in Python. So what is semantics? Semantic deals with the meaning and interpretation of code. It focuses on what the code actually does. In Python, there are many semantics rule in Python, that is variable assignment, function calls, control flow, data manipulation and many more. So what is variable assignment? Assigning values to variables correctly is known as variable assignment. And function calls? Calling function with the correct argument is known as function call. Control flow? The logic of how the program executes, such as conditional statement, if else and loops. This is known as control flow. And data manipulation? How data is proceeds and transformed within the program. So I think you have understand about what is the syntax, rule and semantics in Python. So let's see here how variable is working here. So I have not connected that's why it's happened. Okay, don't worry about that. I will tell you something more about in it. Like what is comments? Comments, the purpose of comment are used to add explanatory notes to your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. There are two types of comment: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment is start with hash symbol. Everything after the hash on the same line is considered as a comment. And what is multi-line comment? Multi-line comment enclosed within the trivial quotes, either single or double, can span multiple lines. In simple manner, syntax is about the correct way to write the code, adhering to the language rule. You know, syntax is about the correct way to write the code, and semantic is about ensuring the code perform the intended action, and comments are the human readability and understanding, making your code more maintainable. So let's come here. I have written here name Shweta and name Vishwakarma. Here you can see that the name first name is start from small letter of n and second name is start from capital letter of n. Why I'm writing this type of things? Because Python is a case sensitive language and they here it differ uh, he differently understand about the small letter of name and the capital letter of name. So just understand about that. So you can see here is I have written print name. Don't worry about that. What is print? Just normally understand that print function just print the things within written in parenthesis. Okay. So here I am written print name and with small letter of n, and with small letter of n name is a variable. Both are the variable, and there are written some different values which is string. I will tell you about what the string in next session. You don't worry about that. So here you can understand about the Python is sensitive language, and the variable which start from capital and or capital letter or small letter, they are different. Not because Python don't know about what is the meaning, and that's why and it's not differentiate about that both her name is feeling same, but for Python it's not same, it's different. Okay, so let's understand about what is indentation. So we have to understand about indentation. Okay. Okay, then I am going to tell you about what is indentation. So in Python, indentation is not just a matter of style, means it is very important. It is not the matter of style that it's about only the styling everything. No, it's very important thing in Python. It's a fundamental part of the language syntax. Unlike many other programming languages that use curly braces to define code blocks, Python relies on indentation to indicate which line of code belongs to a particular block. As I am written here, indentation in Python is used to define the structure and hierarchy of the code. Unlike many other programming languages that uses braces to delimit blocks of code, Python uses indentation to determine the grouping of statements. This means that all statements within a block must be indented at the same level. So, what is the key point of indentation? Indentation belongs to defining the code blocks. Indentation groups together statements that belongs to the same block, such as loops, for and while, conditional statements like if else, elif, function definition like def, class definition like class, and yeah, consistency is crucial. All statements within the same block must have the same level of indentation. Inconsistency indentation will lead to indentation error. So just notice in your mind. Don't forget about that. Okay. Then just understand about what is spaces and tabs, because everyone just forget and confused about that. What is spaces and what is tabs in Python? So while both can be used for same, okay, it's generally recommended to use spaces for indentation. Mixing spaces and tabs can use unexpected behavior, especially when working with different editor or collaborating with others. Standard convention is very important in indentation. The Python community in general adopt a standard of using 4 spaces of each level of indentation. Okay, did you got it? Just let's try indentation with 4 spaces. So I have written here a code, a simple Python code that define that 4 spaces is very important in Python code. Let's see, here is I have written age equals to 32, and I have written a condition if age is greater than 30, then print age, otherwise print age. Okay, I have written simple condition here, so don't feel anything bad about it. So just I have already run this code, just for your convenience I have run again, just check it. I'm not too old, so that's why I'm writing my age as 18, and if the age is what is greater than 18, print is yeah, you are able to vote and also marry. Okay. And yeah, in here you can write that you to child is first grow, then vote. Okay, now I'm going to run it. Okay, so 18. So the age is 18 and your two child is first grow then vote. Okay, uh, mm, uh, let's see. I'm writing here. No, not. Yeah, you are able to vote and also marry. Okay, what do you think? Why this both things are running here? Because I have only used if condition and I'm not using any else condition. But here you don't focus about that because you have to focus what is indentation. Okay, so I'm just wait a minute. Um, okay, just see. Uh, Now you can see. Is it right? If I have removed one indentation, then what happened? It's also right. Now, what happened? It's not right because you can see indentation error in your code. Okay, that's mean indentation is very important in this. Okay, what is single line comment? I'm going to discuss about what is single line comment, and here is the single line comment. As wait. So yeah, for writing every single line comment, we can use has for single line comment. Okay. So yeah, here is I'm written. This is a single line comment, but why this is not going to print? Why this is not going to error? Because of this is comment, and it is only used for readability for user and programmer to use. It it's never affect the line of code. Okay, so now I think you can understand about what is this. So I have written I have print cute spitty ago. Now what is line continuation? So if you use backslash to continue a statement to the next line, then you can use it's not matter. It's give the same result as here is given. If I have add one more plus with 8, then it's also give the correct one. Don't worry about that. And yeah, we can use or define variable in single line because here I have written, you can see x is equal to 5. I have assigning the value 5 in x and I have assigned the value 10 in y, and then I am going to just add that thing, and you can see that here I am getting right one. Okay, so now uh, that's more about this uh, series. We'll meet you again in next session. Don't worry about that. Your sweet cute is also here. You can say me cute sweetie or sweet cute. I'm both of them. Thank you for watching my series. Thank you very much. And please don't forget about like, share and subscribe.